Welcome back to another video. Today I want to try out Boxycharm products I got for this month. Let's get started. This is a little description of all the products. The theme of this month is Caribbean Queen. We have the Alamar Reina del Caribe palette. We have Battington Monroe Silk Lashes, the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. We have the Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion, the Jontéblu Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil, and lastly we have the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipsticks. We have 6 products in the box and they're all full-size products. I like the color of them and they feel really soft. I already did my foundation, my eyebrows, and I put concealer. I want to use the Precision Foundation brush to set my under eye. The brush feels really nice and it fits perfectly under the eye. Pero, if you hear that, it's my pup. She's playing with her toy. I'm gonna go in with the Tapered highlighter. I use this brush to contour. So I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour in the light to medium palette. And it blends the product really nice. As you can tell. Don't worry about this area, we're gonna clean it up. Contour, like just tilting my head as I'm doing it. Now that my nose is all contoured, I'm gonna go in with the MAC blush. Shade Peaches. Use the same brush that I used to contour and just put it on my cheeks. I'm gonna try this one to highlight. To highlight, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I use the color Moonstone. So that's what we're gonna go for. It's this shade right here. Ooh. Just like that. I'm using a very light hand. I'm not going in really heavy. I really like the brushes. The next product is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It retails for $10. And the brushes, it's a 3-piece and it retails for $42. I'm gonna open this. Just gonna use whatever is on the top of it. I guess I'll just put it on my hands. Bella's just looking at me like, Mom, who are you talking to? Wow. Now I'm going in with the palette. It's Alamar Reina del Caribe. It retails for $28. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna be using the color Cocoa Taxi on the crease. Just using the same product. Okay, kind of want to put more color into it. Whenever you're putting it on the crease, make sure all the edges are smooth, and especially it always tends to kind of build up here, so just make sure you're blending it completely. I want to use that a little bit lower on the crease. So I'm going to use the black brush that I showed you all and just put that color right here. Just like that. And just kind of blend it completely. You want to open your eye a little bit so you can see where that part of your eye cuts. Do circular motions, but do them like up. Put that on the outer part of your eye with this Colourpop brush. Just like that. A little bit like that, just to prime the lid. This eyeshadow is very, very pigmented. I'm gonna use a little small brush. This little brush by Colourpop, and I'm gonna wet this brush and apply more of that green shade. I don't want it to look harsh. That's what I don't want. I'm just applying it in the middle. Here. But also not making it look. Here I'm just tapping the color Celia. Belle. With the fluffy brush, you want to get a little bit of Cocoa Taxi and just make sure everything looks nice and blended together. we're gonna clean this, but I am gonna put eyeliner, so I will be back. This palette is really pretty. I'm not just saying this because it is really nice. Like, look at that. The next product is a Jontéblu waterproof eyeliner pencil. I'm just going to put that on my waterline. Just making my eye watery. I don't know how I feel about this eyeliner, but I shall try it. Next thing on the box is the Battington Monroe Silk Lashes. You can use these eyelashes as many times, just take care of them. I'm gonna put these off camera because your girl takes forever to put eyelash. I went ahead and did the rest of my makeup. I just put mascara on my lower lash line, put on the lipstick that came in the box, and I also did the math. It came out to a total of $134. You're only paying $21 a month for the box. I didn't really see a difference with the eyeliner. I didn't really see much of the product on my eye as I was applying it. But other than that, I like all the products in the box. This is Bev. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.